stocks for the ladies. Now, I'm not going to get into issues about inequality, pay gaps, and which companies are female driven. That's not the point of this video. But did you know that 70 to 80% of consumer good choices are chosen by females? So don't you think, men, that we should have a look at what the ladies are buying? Let's have a look at these stocks and companies. Not everything is just Tesla, Neo, and lithium. Remember to click the like button and hit subscribe to keep supporting the channel. By no means is this financial advice, but it's for educational purposes. Right, so let's get into today's video. First up on the list is Starbucks, going under the ticker symbol SBUX, founded in 1971, the American multinational coffee house and brewery company. 1 year growth shows 87% and 5 year growth shows 82%. They pay a dividend of 1.68% and have a Zacks rating of 2.3. I was hesitant to get involved with brick and mortar coffee brand companies due to last year's events. Sales dropped, and fast food companies and restaurants have taken a serious knock. But it seems between waves, people are still heading out and having their meetings at Starbucks. Or the ladies are coming and getting their grab and go coffees. Masks, sanitizer and all. I think we'll get over this, guys. It's better to invest when there's fear and uncertainty. Maybe you should have a look at Starbucks. The second stock on my list is Etsy, going under the ticker symbol Etsy. They're a US e-commerce site focused on vintage and handmade items. They primarily sell jewelry, bags, crafting items, clothing, toys, and home decor. There are 21 million sellers on Etsy. Most of them are college-educated women between their 20s and 30s. Sellers can add up to 13 search tags in order for buyers to find their items. 1 year growth shows 565%. And 5 year growth shows 2,560%. They currently do not pay a dividend, but the Zacks rating is 1.8. Etsy is usually a side business for people to earn additional income. But what happened with last year's events, the stock exploded. It has now become some people's means to an alternate income to what was lost last year, and a buyer's dream to find hobbies to do due to lockdown and stay-home orders. Okay, here are my feelings. Although vaccine rollout is underway in most countries, I don't think we're going to get to a normal anytime soon. Many businesses have downscaled and realized that there's no need to have brick and mortar offices and to have employees working at that office. We were already heading towards a digital world. I think this just accelerated it. The third stock on my list is Estee Lauder, going under the ticker symbol EL. Founded in 1946, this US multinational manufacturer and marketing company that primarily sells makeup, skincare, fragrance, and haircare products. Some big brands include Bobbi Brown, MAC, DKNY, Clinique, and Michael Kors. 1 year growth is 95%. 5 year growth is 195%. They currently pay a small dividend of 0.73% and they have a Zacks rating of 2.1. There isn't much to say. It's a big company, strong brands, great reputation, consistent growth. This stock isn't going anywhere. Men, wake up and get involved. Ladies, if you haven't checked out this stock, have a look at Estee Lauder. Okay, now I want to get into something that's a bit more risky, something fresh that's just launched. Fourth stock on the list, Bumble, going under the ticker symbol BMBL. This is an American social media company that operates the Bumble app, facilitating communication between interested users. I can't show you much of a growth chart because they only listed this IPO on the 11th of February 2021. So why did I choose this app? Well, this app with heterosexual matches, female and male, only allows the females to make first contact. This is a big improvement to apps like Tinder because this decreases harassment and it empowers women. Look, there's always a risk of an IPO going south, but I think if you've got some spare change, sprinkle some onto this IPO. The fifth stock on my list is Pinterest, going under the ticker symbol PINS. Founded in 2009, Pinterest is an image, video, and gift sharing service in the form of pinboards. 1 year growth shows 470%, and 2 year growth shows 192%. Currently, they do not pay a dividend, but their Zacks rating is 2.1. Originally, females constituted 80% of their user base. As of October 2016, the numbers have been reduced to 60%. That means men are waking up. This stock has obviously grown in popularity with all the stay-home orders and lockdowns. I foresee it being part of our future, sharing of good, clean information, pictures, videos, recipes, designs, etc. Plus the company is trying to grow, making small acquisitions every year or so. And my girlfriend is obsessed with Pinterest. Anyways guys, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What stocks are you getting into? What are you men buying? What are you ladies buying? What are you both buying? And drop me a comment below or leave me a private message and maybe I can do a video on that for you. And as always, if you like the content of this video, please click the like button, hit subscribe and the bell notification to get any updates of anything new that I may post.